Good morning. Wait, is it still morning? Yeah, it's still morning. It is raining. Can you see that? Yeah. And as you can tell, no vehicle because it's down the road there. It's getting worked on. Get those two tie rods put in place. And then next week, which is the 16th, next payday week, is going to Chevrolet to get an airbag light looked at. And then if it don't cost that much, we'll of course get shut off. And then the following week, we get the inspection done on the Blazer. Because the state of Missouri can no longer inspect a vehicle with an airbag light. Apparently they stopped that for the people who has to get tags redone in June. In June and July. And I gotta get mine redone in June. So with that being said, we are having a driving video today. We just have to wait until they get done with it. They're supposed to call, so yeah. All I'm doing is watching TV. The classic Roseanne show, watching it rain, and sitting on the couch is all I'm doing at the moment. So we will just have to wait and see what happens later.